you're in your chasing the sun, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo. Then you turn, step in, go around, and then come into that buzzsaw. A low turn from the chasing the sun, where you take the 2 poi in the vertical plane, come under your leg, and then come around the back, the clockwise version. What's going to happen is you're going to, so you're in your T stance like you normally would be. You step into your right foot. And when you step into your right foot, you lift your left one up, and then you're going to swing your left foot up and around that way. And then you'll come out underhand and you'll continue the turn. So if I did that with the poi, I'm going to step in with my right foot, under, turn, and around. On the side view, I would step in. Right, so if I'm in a regular chasing the sun, I step in, under, and turn. Skirt flip, optional. If we were going to do it counterclockwise, it's different. If we're doing it counterclockwise, you're going to step in with your left foot, and you lift your right leg, and you turn to the right. You're like this. Your weight is mostly on your left leg. You're going to do a back turn like this, so your right leg will step back. And then you're going to push off with your right leg and go back again. Yes, so it's a right back, right back, right back, right back. And then if you add the kick, it'll be right back, kick, and back. So instead of being like, just like lifting like that, you'll do it more with a flourish and a sweep. And then what you'll do is you'll step in with your left leg. You're gonna lift your right leg, bring your hand underneath your crotch through your legs. As it comes through your legs, lift and turn in the rest of the sweep over. So if we did it without going under the leg, this is what the poi does. You sweep over the top like that. Turn and turn. I'm staying on my left leg the whole time. I'm moving my right leg back as I come around. Moving the right leg back as I come around. Moving the right leg back as I come around. So do that with me. Left leg is forward. You're gonna come sweep back, move your right leg, come around, and then step back. Sweep up over the top, stepping your right leg back. Make sure as soon as you get here, you immediately go over the top. The footwork is still the same. Left leg is forward, your weight's gonna be on your left leg. You sweep back, step back, and come over the top. And left leg is forward, sweep back, step back, come over the top. And sweep back, step back, come over the top. Left leg is forward, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweep back, step back, come over the top, reset. And 5, back and overhand, 6, 7, 8. Sweep back, step back, come over the top. What you do is you bring your hand so that it aims for your midline here. And your left leg is going to be forward. Yes, your left leg is forward. As you come under, you move the right leg back. So if you look at me back view, you sweep the right leg. Rule of thumb is your hand should feel the heat of your groin. You really need to get in there in order to get the poi to pass your crotch. Watch me do it from here when both of my legs are going, when both of my poi are going underneath. They reach and come all the way around. You gotta reach deep, turn all the way around. Same thing, left leg is forward. You're gonna come down under your crotch, sweep the leg around, up and over. And 5, 6, 7, weight on the left leg and go underneath, sweep around, come around over the top. On the left leg, 5, 6, 7, 8, lift and turn and come around and down. And 5, 6, 7, 8, lift, turn, come around and down. Now for extra points, point your toe as you lift the leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, step in, point the toe, come all the way around and down. Okay, now let's try it with both poi. Your overhand here. You're gonna step in with your left, pushing your weight onto your left leg. 5, 6, 7, step in, lift the leg, sweep over the top and down. And right leg is back. 5, 6, 7, step in, lift the right leg, come all the way around and down. And right leg is back. You're gonna step into your left. 5, 6, 7, and step in, lift, turn around and down. And 5, 6, 7, step into the left, sweep the leg around and down. Yeah, counterclockwise, chasing the sun, right turn around under the right leg. Both poi. But you could do it, I mean, you've done it with both poi, which means you could do it with the left or the right if you wanted, because now you know. It's the same technique. You just did both the left and the right hand. Because you did both the left and the right hand, you could do the left one alone. You could do the right one alone, or you could do both. You got 3 moves in one. You could take that combination that we just did, right? So you're in, you're chasing the sun, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo, woo-doo-woo-doo-woo. Then you turn, step in, go around, and then come into that buzzsaw.